Hi, my name is Ellie, and in a series of tutorials, I'm going to show you how to use the features of VEDAMO Virtual Classroom. I hope you find this useful.
The Virtual Classroom waiting room functionality provides hosts with the ability to control who can join their sessions, thereby enhancing organization and interaction. It offers hosts a designated space where all participants gather before the session begins, allowing hosts to determine when to grant access. Access to the waiting room settings can be found in the Accounts and Settings menu in the General Settings tab. You can choose between participants enter the room automatically after the host joins, host lets all participants manually in the classroom, and registered participants skip waiting. Note that hosts can also manage these settings directly from within the room. All skip waiting effectively bypasses the waiting room feature. All users are waiting requires all participants, whether registered users or guests, to enter the waiting room and await approval for session access. Registered users skip waiting filters out registered users and redirects only guests to the waiting room. From the waiting room, each participant can use the chat, personal with the host only, in order to communicate with the host and vice versa. The host can use group messages. All participants will be able to see them, but they can respond only individually via the private chat with the host. The host can allow individually or all participants the right to enter the session. In case the host chooses not to admit a participant via the Remove button, the participant will be banned from the session. This command can be used only on an individual basis. The waiting room functionality offers hosts precise control over session access, facilitating smoother interaction and communication within the virtual classroom setting.
Thank you for watching. You can also check the detailed step-by-step article in the description of this video. Happy teaching!